We want to thank our partner also for Certifica. First, Certifica is creating a smart certification powered by blockchain, pero ang ginawa niya is in-abstract niya in a Web 2 style. So yung complexity ng blockchain functions nawala. A Web 2 concept talaga, pero pag once they mint their proof of attendance, their badge, their certificate, automatically mai-embed na yan and forever na siya na verifiable on-chain. Makikita mo dun. So, meron ka ng portfolio. Now, if ever you're a professional and gathering all the credentials, kahit pumunta ka sa US, plug mo lang dun, makikita nila, oops, this is my credentials I've been doing training about everything. So, almost all of our events in WDFi are powered by Certifica, and we're trying to propagate with the government also in the private sector. And with regards to that, I'm excited also to say na we're prompting to make Certifica as an ecosystem. Ecosystem in the sense na by next year, Certifica will release what we call Certifica documents.
Ooh.
So yung function niya is sign and trace document history and self-audit log. So yung sinusupport niya is kahit anong docs and even videos, pwede na siya ma-proof into on-chain. So may verifiability na din tayo sa documents. So hopefully we can integrate this in our local government unit. Yung mga clearance nila dyan, mayor permit nila, pwede natin ma-put. So this will be live next year, yung Certifica documents.